Pre-assembly of solar panels and floats into strings is one core feature of Sunlit Sea's design. Not only does inline fabrication offer groundbreaking assembly speed, but it also guarantees that the strings function properly. The bundle of solar panels is loaded into a standard shipping container. The shape of the float, panels, and bundle gives superb package density. This streamlined manufacturing process provides unparalleled production speed compared to manual production on site. Shipping pre-assembled strings in containers allows for safe and cost-effective freight to any location in the world. Most freight goes by bulk carrier, while the last leg may be conducted by lorry. The extraction from the container may be performed at the deck of a barge, ship, or anywhere a container can be placed. The bundle, with floats and solar panels, can be lifted or ejected directly into the water. The bundle is unfolded into the water, or at certain locations, directly from the container. The string is thereafter tugged to the site and anchored into place. The string is light enough for a small boat to handle. One end of the string is fastened to the combined gangway and cable tray. The other end is directly attached to the mooring lines. The tugboat collects another string, which is attached to the mooring and previous string. The full solar power plant is constructed in this manner. Notice that the assembly is quick and therefore reduces assembly expenditure and exposure to bad weather. Sunlit Sea provides quality-assured, prefabricated floating solar solutions, purpose-built for the marine environment in every step of the construction. Our installations are quickly deployable and very cost-efficient in regard to the levelized cost of electricity. Check the feasibility for floating solar of your potential site at sunlitsea.no.